After you're finished watching this video, you will earn over $200 in an hour by just following a few simple steps I'll be showing you in today's video. I will be breaking down this method of making money fast step by step, so even a complete beginner can start to make money fast. Have you ever thought that you could be sitting in your home and earning money by just completing a few easy tasks online? I mean, how awesome is that? This is literally a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Start moving items from your wish list into your cart, because after watching this video, you will start to make money fast online and never work your 9-to-5 job again. You will become your own boss today, and in a matter of a few hours, you will earn over $500. The name of this amazing website is... Hey Money Crushers, welcome back. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. With inflation reaching its all-time high and people losing their jobs, I had to research and find out a way where all my money crushers can make money just by sitting at their homes. This method of making money online is completely beginner-friendly and anyone can do it. However, this method is only available in the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia, so it's strongly advised to use VPN to be able to access this website. Make sure you watch this video carefully and follow all the steps. I have seen a couple of my friends missing out on a few steps and ended up not getting paid. But don't you worry, your Stacy is right here with her amazing research to guide you all the way. Now, before I move on any further, I want my money crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. My brother Steve made over $1,500 in the past few days using this amazing website, and he's taking me tonight to get some sushi. But before I go out, I had to make a video on this great website for you guys. Before I reveal this amazing website to you, I have an important announcement to make. I will be giving away $2,000 in August to a lucky subscriber, so be sure to subscribe to Money Crush for a chance to win $2,000. Also, comment down below on what would you buy first with that $2,000 gift. I also included 2 secret tricks to make more money for you guys. Now, without further ado, let's learn how to make money fast using this method. Before we start, I want you guys to navigate to creationrewards.net. Creation Rewards is a completely free and legitimate website that pays for your time online. This website even offers a $5 sign-up bonus. How generous is that? You can do various things to earn free cash and gift cards. You can do paid surveys, visit websites, watch videos, do online shopping, do special offers, and much more to get paid a bunch for your time online. Creation Rewards has been online since 2000, so that's over 20 years of paying members for some of the simplest things you can do online. Why would you do all of your daily online activities for free when you can make money off of it? To start earning money with this website, navigate to the top of the page. Before you start your money-making journey, you must register your free account. You can do so right here. Type in your desired email address and password, and choose the country you're from. Remember to choose the same country you're using for VPN. Now agree to the terms and conditions, solve the CAPTCHA, and click on the Register Now button. After that, this welcome screen will appear. You're now a member of Creation Rewards. Don't forget to verify your account from the link that's sent to your email inbox to receive an additional 25 points. At the top right corner, you can keep track of your earned points. On this page are some of the featured ways to earn money, but let's go through all of them separately. Click on the Watch and Explore button right here. That will take you to this page where you can see all of the available offers. Here you can earn points by watching daily videos. You can see here the name of the offer and the number of points you'll earn upon completing the offer. Before you proceed to watch videos, click on the More Info button. As you can see, you'll be watching videos and ads. There is absolutely no limit on how many videos you can watch daily. How amazing is that? Be ready to grab your favorite drink and enjoy making money fast at home. However, there are some requirements. As you can see here, you must create a free account on a specific platform in order to redeem points. Also, you have to redeem points from that platform to the Creation Rewards website. Just click on the green Explore Content button and you'll be guided further. The next way of making money fast on this website is through surveys. Click on the Take Surveys button right here. Here is the list of companies that offer surveys and the number of points you will earn upon completion. Some surveys can be completed multiple times daily, and some only once every 24 hours. To check the requirements and how many times you can complete them daily, click on the More Info button. Here you can see all of the necessary information. When you're ready to complete surveys, Choose which company you want and click on Go to Survey button. A new tab will open, and from there, you will start completing surveys in exchange for points. Be sure to take your time and answer the questions truthfully, or the survey might terminate. Now, before we move further, as I promised, I will show you the first secret trick for you guys. It's located right here. This is your daily to-do list. You will earn bonus points for completing the tasks listed below. Be sure to log in daily and complete all of the to-do tasks to earn bonus points. The next way of making money on this website is through offers. Click on the Discover Offer Walls button. Now on this page, you can see all of the offers. Click on the More Info button to learn more about the offer. When you're ready to do offers, click on the Launch button, and a new tab will open for you to complete the offer with valid information. Now it's time for the second trick, but before I reveal it to you guys, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Money Crush. Also, turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. The second trick is to earn passive income through the referral system. You can refer your friends and family to earn 10% of their earnings. Now you can even shop cheaper on the internet due to the cashback that Creative Rewards offer. Click on the Shopping button. You can shop in any of these shops that have partnered with Creative Rewards. You can see the name of the shop and the amount of cashback you'll be receiving for buying things online through Creative Rewards. When you want to redeem your points, click on the Redeem button. Here you can see all of the available redeeming methods. You can exchange your points for various gift cards or cash. Choose the reward you want, and at the bottom of the page, type in your password and click on the Submit Rewards Order button. After that, your reward is successfully redeemed. This method of making money fast online is truly amazing. It doesn't require any skills, just your smartphone or a computer with an internet connection. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.